Take a look at your house. If it's anything like most homes, it was built long before smart technology existed. Imagine designing a home from scratch, where every detail is built with smart tech in mind. What would that look like? Let's dive in. Most of us retrofit our homes with tech later on, but let's be real. Working around existing structure can be kind of a pain. But what if we could start fresh? In this series, I'm designing the perfect smart home, built from the ground up with technology at the core. My name is Steve, and this is it-alchemy. When I bought my house, I was excited. Finally had the freedom to customize. But the reality? A home with zero consideration for smart tech. Fast forward about 10 years, and I'm asking myself, what would I do differently if I could start over? Well, for starters, I want a little more space away from the neighbors. I'm looking for a place with room to grow. Space for solar panels, geothermal systems, and even a well and septic system. No more utility bills. This looks good. It's over 3 acres, it's nice and flat, it's far from the neighbors. Let's clear some trees for building. Now, let's add the house. I'm aiming for something bigger than my current 2,100 square foot home. Let's go for 3,300 square feet. This is a prefab from Pacific Homes. This model is customizable to fit exactly what we need. Every aspect of the home is designed in a climate-controlled factory, then shipped to the site and is ready to assemble. But I'm not really a fan of this double entry here. Luckily, Pacific Homes allows full customization. Let's change that. This house plan has a garage, but this time it's for cars and not a workshop. So let's add one. Being self-sufficient means no more relying on municipal utilities. The first step, a well. There's a massive aquifer in the area, so we're good to go. Let's place it here. Along with a well, we'll need a septic system, far enough from the well to avoid contamination. Alaska's extreme temperatures demand a top-tier heating and cooling system. Forget propane or oil, I'm going with a ground source heat pump. These systems are efficient and reliable, especially in extreme cold. In winter, temperatures can dip to 40 degrees below zero Fahrenheit, but in geothermal systems this is still viable. It uses the stable 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit temperature of the earth below to keep the home comfortable year-round. Since we have ample space, we can add a horizontal loop so we don't have to drill down for a vertical one. Now let's talk about power. The local grid relies mostly on coal and gas, so electricity can be expensive. I want energy independence, so solar is the way to go. Since we have space, ground-mounted solar panels are ideal because we can position them for maximum sun exposure. No obstructions or ugly roof-mounted panels. Plus, they're easier to clean. I'll also add a couple of wind turbines to supplement the solar. With the right setup, I'll eliminate the monthly electricity bill entirely. But just in case, I'll stay connected to the grid for emergencies. Overall, that's how I would lay the foundation for my ideal smart home. Self-sufficient, energy efficient, and of course, smart. Would you do anything differently? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can follow along as we dive deeper into the details of each system in this series. Thanks for watching.